Hey, listen, who remembers that? Anyway, we are looking at the 10-foot 3-pack LISEN USB-C to USB-C cables that can pass through 60 watt. And you ever feel like your cables are just not long enough? Always gotta be right next to the charger when charging your phone or any type of device. Mainly one of my cases that I use it for is using it to get the data and the power to my camera here, the GoPro that connects to my computer. This one goes over, it's on a boom arm, so it goes over my head when I'm standing up. Then the table goes up to my standing level and the computer is on the ground. So I need to have enough length from the ground to the cable to run it over my head, make sure everything doesn't get any issues for the cable not being long enough. So yeah, I needed a 3-pack of these cables. I'm Father McFossfoss. Thanks for watching.